Hello, what's up, boys and girls? Today we will unbox the Hot Toys TMS 15, the Mandalorian and The Child Deluxe edition. Well, you can see it's a very built box set. It's Child and the Mando. You can see a bit of the other side of the box. You see this and here, yes, yeah, that looks pretty cool. And yeah, and let's see what we got inside the box. Well, it's a lot of stuff, and I like this cover very much. You see, this is the kid and the Mando. Wow, it looks gorgeous. And here we are. Well, it seems we have 2 layers, and this is the base, and this is Mando and the kid, or the kids, because we have 2, and it's quite a lot of accessories. Okay, yeah, very exciting. Let's see. This is the egg. This is the kid. Well, it's cute and with a lot of detail as expected. Wonderful work. Always doing it right by Hot Toys, huh? Here is the child. It's the I like its eyes. And it's really looks like it. Like it looks very cautious, a little timid. Nice. This one comparatively looks more merrier, more happy. Baku looks merrier. It looks happy. It's like the magnet. You see, it can detach from the base. Interesting. Oh, there's actually clothes. Nice. So this is the eggshell. Nice. And this is the Mando himself. It seems actually lighter as I expected. And it's light. Yeah, it's lighter. The cape is good. I like the cape. It's soft. And this is the best car, auto best car. And this is magnet. This is magnet. Looks elegant. And this is the it sticks with me. Oh, this is the best car box. also with many crazy details. Oh, yeah. It seems you can put the best car inside. Yeah. And this is the hologram. You see the hologram of the best armor. And it's this my wife just helped me to remove all the plastic warps, and this figure, I'll say that it's not as solid as I imagine, and these no die-cast parts and all plastic. The best armor is actually unfortunately plastic. And here is the rifle. I'm not sure why it's going on, but yeah, I guess it's can be attached to the Mando in some way. Yeah, maybe add here. Battery for the best container. In a way, I think it can be it can be put inside here, and there's we'll have yellow light. It seems like we got inside this layer has 2 more layers, and this is the base. This is thruster, fire accessory, and this is other parts of armor, pistol, everything. And this is the fire accessory as well. This is a base, and there's a very funny thing here. It's like there's a small stone, and here you need to pull it out, and then use this one to pull in. And I guess how this works with this small baby Yoda. And this is, and there is the and you somehow plug it in. Yeah, so now it's become this. The small necklace attached to the baby. How do we do it? So first you need to make its head off, and then you put this right on her. Ooh. So hard. So hard. To replace the best car armor with this. Mark hole ingredient. Like to replace Mando's hand with its hand to put a pistol on it. So with its right hand, I chose to let it have a pistol, and with its left hand, and I put a pass car on it. Stage I want to make Commando a proper pose. I also like this shoulder. That's full of fire accessory on its very bottom. and I would like to put it on its back. Oh no. How should I do it? Maybe. Oh, this is the magnetic back, so that I can. Maybe it's on the other side. It looks cooler. Indeed, looks very cool. Okay, this is the final effect. It looks nice side by side with my body does more, and you see two baby Yoda. He's very curious about the desk armor, and this is another innocent one. It looks nice. Thanks for watching. This is it. I'm very satisfied with this Deluxe version of Mandalorian and The Child. Yay! See you next time.